What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC, and I'm giving you a review on my Team Corrali Sketer 4S. The Sketer, it ran good. It ran great. You know, the last run I ran on the 3S, and it was still moving, still was jumping. Only thing is, broke the wheelie bar, and I broke that on my second run. I don't even understand how I broke it. As you can see, it snapped right off. Maybe it was on a bad jump, I don't recall, but I just know I seen it laying on the ground. But the other problem I had, my problem with the Sketer was the wheelie bar. But the durability of the Sketer is 110% besides that, and besides the controller. I lost reception, and the car kept on rolling. I mean, I didn't even go that far. As you can see in this clip I'm about to show, I didn't go that far, and it gave out on me. Can't go that far. It gave out on me. But see, that's minor. I'm going to change the receiver anyway. You know, I'm going to change all that out. It still looks great inside. You know, I had no problems whatsoever. No problems. A little dirty. I hate dirty RCs. My cars mainly be clean all the time. This is a little dirty. What I like to do, especially after a bash, especially in salt, definitely clean them off. Clean it right off. Definitely want to wash all that off. So I wiped it down. No, I washed it. Washed it all off. And then sometimes I use WD-40, but now I still use WD-40. I also use this silicone lubrication. You know, I spray that on everything, give that nice shine to it. You know, it makes the plastic flexible. Now I got this idea from Woogie Nitro, because he sprays his cars with this stuff, and his cars look great. Look like brand new cars sometimes. You know, I'm gonna do a speed test. The next time I run this, you'll see a speed test and everything. You know, I like the truck. The truck is a great truck. Just the minor problems I had. You know, easy to fix. Nothing bent, nothing gave out on me besides the wheelie bar. But that's fine. That's cool. Give another shout out to RC Discount Superstore, because I'm ordered some tires. Waiting for them right now. Some low profile street tires. Don't look great on here. Only thing I want to do too, I want to change the body. I don't know what I want to change it to, but I'm gonna try to change the body. I want it to look more like a truck body. Get a little bit of scale look to it. This body ain't bad, but I just kind of want a little realistic body. Thinking about putting a wing on this and everything. I don't know. If I can't find the body, I'm gonna throw a wing on there with them low profile tires. You know, drop it down a little lower and sit low. You know, wing. I think it'll look awesome on it. This is Phillyswords RC. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe, like, and share. See you on the next video.